Hello and welcome to Hands-On Education. Today we will listen to music from China. Chinese music is known for its gentle flowing melodies and sounds created by unique instruments such as the guzheng, a long stringed instrument, and the pipa, a pear-shaped lute. A scale is a sequence of notes, and in Western music we often use a scale with 7 notes. This can be demonstrated with major scale C on the keyboard and sounds like this: C, D, E, F, G, A, B. Altogether, this scale sounds like this. Traditional Chinese music often uses a pentatonic scale, which has 5 notes instead of 7, beginning with C, D, E, G, and A. It sounds like this. Listen carefully to identify which scale is being played, major scale C or a pentatonic scale. This scale only had 5 notes and was the pentatonic scale. Listen again. And this scale had 7 notes. This was major scale C. We will now listen to a piece of music from China. Listen carefully to the melody. Take a moment to think about these questions. Did you enjoy this style of music? How did the music make you feel? And which words would you use to describe the melody of the music? For your hands-on activity, create a melody using notes from the pentatonic scale: C, D, E, G, and A. Mix the notes around to create your melody. For more information about this activity and related activities, please go to handsoneducation.com World Music. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and we will see you soon. Bye.